right, so this is what I'm wearing today. I don't have any makeup on yet. Look at my face. That's the beauty of being a black woman. So, this is what I'm wearing, but I got something I need to address with what I have on. I don't know if you noticed this. I have like a little hole because I have nice boobs, and then I have one here. So I'm going to show you something. Take your thread, and you'll know what to do, but just make sure that it has knotted on the end, and it's a double thread, not a single, because in tailoring you're actually supposed to be doing a single thread and it shouldn't be knotted at the ends, but it's neither here or there. How do you fix that? Watch your skin. See that? I'm going to pull it through. And before it goes all the way through, I'm going to take the needle and grab it through or pull it through the loop. And then that'll start to close it. So I got to move my boobies out the way to do this. Okay, grabbed it. And at this point, I don't have to grab unless I want to, but I'm going to. But you don't have to, just letting you know. You only do that if you want to keep the hole a little larger and still maintain the look of lace. Ah, there we go. Come on, get it. And then I can close it. So that time I did in loop, so I'm gonna do one more. Okay, it would be easier if I move my titty skin out the way. You're like, what the hell is she doing? All right, pulling it, and there we are. So it's closed up. So I'm gonna take an area in here, and then the loop. I'm gonna do it a few times. 2, 3, and pull it. And then I'm gonna cut. Okay, had to go get my little scissors I use for just about everything. There we go. And it's closed off. Now, this here came from Amazon. I got it from Amazon years ago, I believe. So all I got is this little bit here. So I'm gonna show you something. This is actually the correct way. And then there's a way that we're taught, or there's many different ways. Everybody has their own way of doing it. If you've ever learned how to hand sew, but you keep this open, or open, or you can knot it. What I do is I take it and lay it, hold it, roll it around or wrap it around, bring it down, and then I'll grab all of that wrapped around the needle. Oh, it came out, and pull it down. And that is supposed to give you a knot. So now that it's knotted on the end, I'm gonna do this little spot right here. And I can do that because I'm going to go into here, which is a lot more stable. And then I'm going to pull it through, making sure I grab the loop, the string that is not knotted. And see, it's there. So that's the other way you can do it. And then I'm going to close this up. So through, you don't have to pull unless you want to. Really close it up. Just about there. And then I'm going to go through it one more time because it just feels like it needs it. And there you are. Here, so now I am going to do the same thing that I did earlier to finish it off. Went through the most, oh, can't grab it. And then just one is enough. All right.